Now see here, so converting percentages into fractions. Before, so what we did in exercise, in activity first, what we did, the fraction we converted into percentage. Now here the percentage we have to convert into fraction. Then how to convert decimal, how to convert, so this percentage, not decimal, percentage into fraction. The first step, first we have to take whatever the fraction is given, whatever the percentage is given, that we have to take 11, that percentage we have to take, and after that by here we have to take divide with the percent means divided by 100. The given what it is percentage, the given percentage we have to divide with 100. So 11% divided by 100. Now after that we have to check, so if any possibility is there for simplification. Here no, so we cannot simplify this one. Why? Because this numerator is a prime number. This numerator is a prime number. So further, so simplification is not possible here. So 11 by 10. So this is only your final answer. Okay. So this is the percentage, this is the fraction. This percentage we converted into fraction in this way. Okay. Just we have to divide the given percentage with 100. So then if simplification is possible, simplify it and write the final fraction. Okay. So that is your fraction. Okay. Now in activity 2, so express as fraction. Here, so percentage is given, this percentage we have to express in fraction. Then how to express in fraction? First what we have to do? First we have to take the given percentage. So this we have to divide with 100, 5 by 100, 5 by 100, this is a fraction. If any cancellation is possible, then cancel it. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10 and this 0. It is 1 by 20. 5% in fraction is 1 by 20. The next one, 25%. So given percent we have to take by total percent. We have to divide with total percent, 100. 25 ones are 25. 25 fours are 100. It is 1 by 4. 25% in fraction, 1 by 4. Now 60% in fraction, 60 by total percent, 0 0 get cancelled. Then these two cancel in two table, 2 3s are, 2 5s are. It is 3 by 5 in fraction. 60% in fraction, 3 by 5. Next, 50%, already we know 50% means half. 50% is half. Then how it is half? 50% divided by total percent. 0 0 cancel. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Then it is 1 by 2. 50% means half. Half means 1 by 2. Okay. Okay. Now 30%. 30% means 30% by total percent. 0 0 cancel. Then so further cancellation means simplification not possible. So 3 by 10 is the answer. Okay. Now 35% means 35 by 100. So these two are having 5 as a common factor. So divide with 5. 5 sevens are 35. 5 twos are 10 and 0. It is 7 by 20. 7 by 20. Now 12%. Then 12% means 12 by 100. 12 by 100. So these two are cancelled in 4 table. 4 3s are 12. 4 25s are 100. Then the simplified answer is 3 by 25. 3 by 25. Now 15%, 15 by 100 in fraction, 15 by 100. These two have common factor 5. 5 3s are 5 20s are 100. 3 by 20, 3 by 20. Next 33%, 33 by 100. Here 33 is a, so 33 is 33 and this 100, they do not have any common factor, so simplification is not possible. The fraction 33% fraction is 33 by 100 only. Then after that more 3 questions left, that 3 questions, similar questions you do as your home assignment. Okay. Now see here, next concept. So now expressing percentage as decimal. So percentage, so how to convert, how to express percentage as decimal, means converting from percentage to decimals. See here, first we have to shade 50 boxes, 50 grids we have to shade. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. Total 50 grids we shaded. 50 grids means 50%. In total 100, if 50 grids are shaded means 50%. 50% we shaded. How much? 50% we shaded. This is the percentage. This is the percentage. Then how to convert this percentage into decimal? Into decimal. 50. This is 50%. 50%. It means 50% means 100. 50%. Then this 50% how to convert into decimal? The given, the percent by total percent we have to take. Then after that 10 10, 10 5s are 10 10s are 100. So what is left here? 5 by 10. 5 by 10. Then 5 by 10 means 5 tenths. 5 tenths means tenths, 5 we have to write in tenths place. This is tenths place, then decimal. Before we have to keep 0. 5 tenths by 10. Whenever by 10 is there, then tenths we have to take. So when 10 is there, after one number we have to keep a decimal. After one digit we have to keep a decimal from right to left. Right to left. This is the method to convert percentage into decimal. So here easy way. So one more easy way is there. So then how to convert? Easy way to convert. So easy way to convert, first percentage 75%. 75%, how to convert this 75% into decimal? Into decimal. See here. First we have to write, first we have to take 75. Whenever we are going to convert this into decimals, so we have to take, after 2 digits we have to take a decimal. After 2 digits we have to take a decimal. After 2 digits means this is first digit, this is second digit, 1 and 2. After 2 digits, so the decimal will come here. First, second and third, the decimal will come here, point. 0.75, that is 0.75. So, after 2 digits we have to keep a decimal. 7, first 5, 7, these 2 digits from right to left. From right to left we have to count 2 digits and we have to keep a decimal, So, then 0.75, this is the method to keep a decimal. Okay. In example, so given convert 8.5% to decimal, 8.5% to decimal. So, what is the percentage given here? 8.5, 8.5%, 8.5%. Then how to convert this 8.5% to decimal? Suppose, so if I want to take like this 0.08.5. So, is these two values are same? No doubt, 808, any of the values are same. So, why we are taking here 1 0 here? Because, so we have to change, means we have to keep our decimal, we have to move our decimal. So, from right to left we have to move our decimal from right to left after 2 digits. After 2 digits, so we have to keep a decimal from right to left. So, then here already here the decimal point is there after 8, decimal is there. So, we have to move 2 places from right to left. This is the first place and after that this is the second place. This is the first place, this is the second place. After the second place means the decimal will come here. The decimal will come here. So, then 0.085. So, what it will be? 0.0085, 0.85. So, here the point moves from here to here. So, no need to take a decimal point here. So, already that decimal, so we moved from here to here. So, the number is 0.085. So, what is our decimal number? 0.85 is our decimal number. And after the decimal number, any number is there? No, means keep 0. Just remember one thing, just you have to keep a decimal after 2 digits from right to left. When we are going to convert the percentage into decimals. Why we are taking after 2 digits we are keeping a decimal? Because we are dividing with 100. In 100 we have 2 zeros. In 100 we have 2 zeros, that is why. So, we have to move our decimal 2 places from right to left, So, this is the reason why we are keeping a decimal, why we are moving a decimal. So, 2 digits from right to left, because in 100 we have 2 zeros. When we divide a number with 100, then the point moves 2 digits from right to left. Okay. Now, express as decimals. Then how to convert 15% as decimal? Okay. Here 15% as decimal means 15%. So, in this after 2 digits we have to keep a decimal, first, second, and here we have to keep decimal. So, here this is first, this is second, and decimal will come here, that is 0.15. It is 0.15, 0.15. Here 35 also, 35. The decimal will come, this is first place, this is second place. After second place we have to keep decimal here, that is 0.35, that is 0.35. And here also 75, the where the decimal will come, this is first place, second place. After second place we have to keep a decimal, that is 0.75. 90, then where the decimal will come, this is first place, this is second place. After second place here we have to keep decimal 0.90, that is 0.90, or otherwise we can take 0.9 also, 0.9 also. Then here 3 means only one digit we have, So we need 2 digits. We need 2 digits. 3 means we have to take like this. 0, 3. So 0, 3 and 3 are same. Now we have to move 2 places. First place, this is second place. After here you will get a decimal. 0.03. 0.03. 0.03. Now 55. 55. So where we have to keep a decimal? First place, second place, and after second place we have to keep a decimal. 0.55. 0.55. Now here in 18, say this is first place, this is second place, here we have to keep a decimal. 0.18. 0.18. Now 33% means 33. This is first place, this is second place. After second place we have to keep a decimal. 0.33, that is 0.33. Now 100. 100 means here first place, here second place. First place, second place, after second place we have to keep decimal here. Means 1.00. It is 1. Okay. Now 6.25. Already we have a decimal. So after decimal we need 2 places from right to left. Here only one place is there. So one more 0 we have to keep. So then we have 2 places. Already here a decimal. It moves 2 places from right to left. First place, second place. After second place here you will get a decimal. 0.0625. Before we keep 0. 0.625. In this way we have to keep a decimal. Okay. Now see here, the next concept, expressing decimal as percentage. Decimal as percentage. Then when decimal is given, then how to convert this into percentage. So it is very quick method is there, very quick method. What is a very quick method? So just we have to move this decimal point, so 2 places right side, 2 places right side, that is from left to right. So when we convert the decimal into percentage, the decimal point we have to move 2 places from right to left. When the decimal is given, then the percentage is given, then we have to take a decimal point, then we have to move a decimal point, that is from right to left, 2 places there. So it is the reverse of that method. Okay. Here how to convert these decimals as a percentage. First you have to take decimal 0.35. So then after that, then how to convert into percentage. So this decimal point we have to move 2 places from left to right. This is first place, this is second place. Here we have to keep. That means 0.35 point. So after completing, so we are getting a point, then no need to keep that point. No need to keep that point. If any number, if any numeral is there after that, then you keep the point. Otherwise, no need. Okay. 0.35. So you have to keep percentage after that. 0.35 means 35%. 35%. This is the percentage. It is very simple. Just we have to move our decimal point 2 places left to right. Then you will get, after 5 you will get a decimal. After 5 no number, nothing is there, no need to keep your decimal. Okay. So then after that keep percentage symbol. Okay. 0.35, the decimal 0.35 means 35%. 35%. Now here converting decimal part, converting decimal to percentage. First we have to shade 5 grid, 10, 50 grids, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Total 50 grids we shaded. How many grids we shaded? 50 grids. Then 50 grids means half of the portion we shaded. Half of the portion means 0.5. 0.5. This much portion we shaded. So this much decimal part we shaded. Then how to convert this decimal into percentage? This decimal into percentage. See here. So we have to move 2 places left to right. Left to right. Here one place is there, left side only one place is there. So more one place we need. So that means we have to keep 0 here. We have to keep 0. So we have to keep the first place and second place. Here it will there. It will come 0, 5, 0 point. No need to take this point after a numeral. Then 0, 5, 0 means 50. 50 percentage. This is the method to keep percentage. Convert decimal into percentage. In the decimal 0.1, 0.10, 0.100, 0.1000, so all these values are equal, same values, no change. In the decimal point, after a decimal point, if number of zeros in hundreds place, thousands place and lakhs place zeros are there, then the value remains the same only. But without decimal number, if you keep decimal numbers right side, if you want to keep zeros on right side, the value remains same. So without decimal number, suppose this is a without decimal number, if I keep 0 on left side, the value is 5 only. One more 0 if I keep, the value is the same 5 only. Number of zeros, how many number of zeros you want to keep, you keep. So but the values remains 5 only. Without decimal numbers, left side zeros, they don't have any value. There is no change in the value. If decimal numbers, if you keep right side number of zeros, how many number of zeros if you keep, the value remains same. Okay. So that is why here only 5 is there, so one more 0 we took here. So after that we take a decimal, that is 50%. 50%. Now here, so 0.125, then how to convert into percentage? So here decimal we have, this is first place, left side, right side, left to right. This is the first place, this is second place. After second place we have to keep a decimal here. That means 012.5, that is 12.5%. In this way we have to move 2 places left to right and we have to shift our decimal and keep percentage. Okay. Here how to convert percentage? 0.68 decimal, then how to convert into percentage? This is the first place, this is second place. First place, this decimal will come first, second, after second place we have to keep a decimal. 0.68 point. After a numeral point is there, no need to keep that point. 0.68 means 68. 68%. 68%. Okay. This is the method to keep, means change a decimals into percentage. Okay. In activity 4, express as percentage. So these decimals we have to express as a percentage. Here 0.25, here so we have to move a decimal 2 places from left to right. This is first place, this is second place. First place, second place. After second place we have to keep a decimal here, means 0.25. So after completing number, so decimal is there, no need to keep that decimal. 0.25 means 25%. Here also we have to move a decimal place 2 places from left to right. This is first place, second place, after second place decimal will come here after 5, that is 045 point. So, after 5 no number, nothing is there, no need to keep decimal. 045 means 45%. Then here also, so we have to move our decimal places, decimal point after 2 places, first place, second place, after second place we keep decimal point, that is 005 point, no need to keep point. Then 005 means 5%. Here we have to move our decimal point after 2 digits from left to right. This is first, this is second, the point will come after 5. 035 point, no need to take that point because after 5 so no number, nothing, so 35%. Here also, so we have to move our decimal point after 2 digits from left to right. First place, second place, after second place we have to keep. Then 056 point, no need to take that point. Why? Because after 6 no numeral, nothing is given. So 56%. Now here also we have to move our decimal point after 2 digits from left to right. First place, second place, third, here it will come 095 point, that means 95%. And here the decimal will move after 2 digits from left to right. This is first, this is second, after second place, after 2 it will come 012 point. Now you take point here. Why? Because after decimal 3 is there. So that is why we have to take point here. Then 12.3%. 12.3%. Now here also we have to move our decimal point after 2 digits from left to right. This is first place, this is second place, after second place, means after 4 the decimal point will come, that is 34 point. We have to keep point. Why? Because after point 5 is there, that is 34.5%. Okay. Now here after 2 digits we have to move a decimal, because here only one numeral is there, so one more 0 we have to keep. Then you make it 2 digits first, then after that so place your decimal after 2 digits from left to right. This is first digit, this is second digit. So after second digit here point will come 150 point. No need to take that point, just you write 150%. Now here also you move a decimal point after 2 digits from left to right. First, second, after second means after 3 point will come 063 point. Take point because after point decimal the number 2 is there. So 063 means 63.2%. After that we have to keep percent also. So in this way we have to move our decimal place 2 digits from left to right and keep your percentage symbol. So this is the method to convert decimals into percentage. Okay. 20% of 50. Then how to convert 20% of 50? The percentage of a number, finding the percent of a number. So this number percentage we have to find. Then how to find? First we have to take given percent. This we have to divide with 100 into the number. So given percent by total percent into given number. There is no by, means by 1 we have to take. Here 0 0 we have to get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 5s are, 5 ones are 5 10s are. Then what is there in the numerator? 10. 10 by 1 ones are 1. 10 by 1 is 10. 20% of 50 is 20% of 50 is 10. In 50, 20% is 10. Okay. 16% of 40, how much? So for first what we have to do? First we have to take 16% by total percent into 40 into 40. then 0 0 get cancelled. Okay. These two cancel with 2, 2 5s are 2 8s are. Now what is left? 8 4s are 32 by, here 1 is there, 5 in the denominator 5. Now we have to divide with 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 6s are 30, 30 means here 2 left, then you take decimal, then it will get 20, 5 4s are 20, it is 6.4, 6.4, 16% of 40 is 6.4. Okay. Here see here, 16% of 40 is 6.4. Here in example 16% of 400 is given, 400 means we have to take here 400, 400. Okay. So then how to do this one? If 16% of 400, 16% of 400, see here what to do, 16% of 400 is how much? So first what we have to do, we have to take the given percent by total percent is 100 into 400, 1 0 1 0 get cancelled, 1 0 1 0 get cancelled, then 16 into 4, by 1 no need to take, 16 4s are 64, 16% of 400 is 64. If you take 40 then that is 6.4 you will get, if 400 that is 64. Okay.